morning, everyone. We are coming into San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's very early in the morning. And we got a few must-dos today. We're going to try us some Drunken Cookies. Should be fun. And we're going to have us a pina colada at the home of the pina colada. We're going to explore a little. There is a festival going on in Puerto Rico, and we're smack in the middle of it where we're arriving, so we'll see how that goes. But it's the San Sebastian Sansa 2026 going on, so we'll see if we can even move around or get downtown. Do some exploring today, and we'll show you all about it. Beautiful coming in though. Look at that. Follow up with you later. Welcome to Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. Here, this cruise port, you don't need an excursion. Just step off the ship. Enjoy all of the cobblestone streets, the Caribbean flavors, the colorful buildings, the history, the forts. All the amazing things are right there. And I highly recommend starting off with a Drunken Cookie. Who's ready to get chip-faced? Woo-woo! Our first stop was Drunken Cookies, because why not start your day with something sweet and something alcoholic? I mean, you can't beat cookies filled with liquor.
Let them know the color. They have it.
To the festival, they had removed all the seating for you to sit and eat your cookies, so we had to go find our own place to enjoy our new alcoholic snacks.
I
already got that. They say that's good luck.
Right there?
I don't see nothing.
I do. The views from this park. Oh my. Oh, there's the Norwegian breakaway. Alright, we're going to try these Drunken Cookies. Alright, hand them out. I think they're labeled. Grab whatever. We'll try them all.
There's yours. Guava crumble.
That's Tara.
Cookies and cream.
Oh, they're all good. This is not what
White chocolate back there.
I think that one's mine. Churro.
Salted caramel. Okay. What do everybody have for their liquors?
Okay, that was her.
There's two of those.
Yep, one's mine. Oh, one's mine.
Cookies and cream liquor?
Chata.
I bet that's this.
Rum chata.
I had the chocolate one.
That's you. What'd you have, John?
I had
Cookies and
coconut
cream.
something.
Oh,
Coconut?
I had coconut.
this is.
Yep, John C. Coconut.
Okay.
So that must be for the one for the white chocolate.
Is it open? Oh,
I feel like I have to sit for this.
felt like I was moving.
I feel like I'm moving too. There's something real about that. I didn't kind of believe you. I thought you were just talking shit.
It was. Wait till you get back home. It's like that for a few days.
Wild.
You can either just do the shot or you can inject it into your cookie. Whatever you prefer.
There's a soft spot on the bottom. Is that where we inject?
Sure.
Inject. Yes, doctor.
Oh, all over my leg.
Well, Anna will have something to lick up later if she's thirsty. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not really sure how you inject this.
Oh no, it just shot out at me.
It's shooting all over the place, dude.
Maybe you can just do your shot. I don't know.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe that's just the
I
best way
just
to go.
drank it.
It might just be the best way to go. That's a good idea. I'm going to just drink what's left. Hot damn, those are some good cookies.
That is a good cookie.
Oh my
Good cookie? Yeah? Look at that thing.
Completely just fucked up 8 days of not eating.
That one's pretty crazy. You got the cookies and cream?
I got the cookies and cream. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's some serious cookie action. You got the churro?
Caramel churro.
Oh,
Guava.
guava. Look at that shit. Holy cow. Good stuff?
Yeah, but damn.
Right behind me is one of the coolest hidden gems in Old San Juan, and it's called La Casa Estrecha, which literally means the narrow house. At just about 5 feet wide, this is considered one of the narrowest homes in Puerto Rico and possibly in the world. We're at the San Juan Parque de la Palomas. It's where all the pigeons are. Let's see what happens. Oh, jeez.
Seems a little more real.
Oh, that's not open. Now we are at one of the most fun and unexpected spots in Old San Juan. Also known as Pigeon Park, this little plaza is famous for being home to hundreds of friendly pigeons that aren't shy at all and may actually scare you a little bit when they land on your shoulders, hands, your head, all the things, as you will soon see if you keep watching.
Like have a very intense fear birth. I hate it.
Ooh.
I hate it. Okay. Keep walking.
Just keep walking. To the gate. To the gate.
Probably not your spot then.
Well, I don't know where to find our tour guide.
I totally missed it though. 5 minutes, thank you.
Okay, they start selling the food in 4 minutes.
Okay.
They think it's a nest on your head. Did you get that one, baby?
Nope.
Damn.
I must stink. They're leaving me alone.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
Me either. Look at all you guys. You got a good life. Okay. I just don't want to hit my head either. Okay. Why do you guys feel so freaky?
They like
you.
you.
Guys make it weird. Gosh. They make it
Why do they make it weird?
They're looking.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
That was great.
They're like looking, aren't they?
They know what time it is. That place opens in 3 minutes. They know.
Uh-huh. They're all looking up. Then you're going to go to leave, and that's when they're going to get you from behind.
After our fun with the pigeons, we were feeling a little thirsty, so we had to head over and try a world-famous pina colada in the home of the pina coladas. We're at Barrachina. It is the home of the very first pina colada. Give them a shot.
Oh, I need to stir mine up. Damn, that just
Try it
stirred
straight.
Oh, be careful.
Is it strong?
You didn't stir very good.
I didn't stir mine enough either.
Like you didn't stir very good.
I don't mean paying $12.95 for a drink that you taste it. That is delicious.
And then you paid $65.
It was a $65 one. Got me because you didn't taste it very much. All right, now I'm doing just holding it.
We walked around and did some shopping and then ran into another place to get some drinks. I think yes. Get the party started.
Pero 55.75. Está bien bueno.
For you. Here we go. Thank you. Since just about everybody in Puerto Rico was in town square for the parade, there were some really nice quiet streets to go and explore. You could really just spend the day at Port walking around looking at the buildings until your husband gets hangry. Trying an empanada in Puerto Rico. What do you think? Good. Old San Juan was filling up fast with festival goers, so we decided it was time to head back to the ship. Really did enjoy this port, and you can definitely do it on your own, no excursion needed.